Llama.
Hey guys, we're going to be doing another video where we draw cats and I'll teach you. We got a couple of papers here. I'm not going to be drawing, I'm only going to draw one, probably. But these are my kitty cat plans. And this is where I'm going to be drawing, so let's get started. First you want to start with like a big oval. And then a little face, as you can see. Then you gotta draw a little nose. Okay, here's the nose, and you can also make. And I know you guys are all screaming, saying, "What about the ears? What about the ears?" I'm getting to it, and the tail. You don't have to scream it in my face. You know, you can draw just a little like flooring, because your cat can't be a floating cat. Or if you wanted it to. Okay. As you can see, I got my flooring. You can draw background stuff, which I might do it. And now it's the coloring part. Because I usually draw like types of cats, like water cats, electric cats. But I'll just draw a normal cat, like this. And this is how you draw a normal cat. And as you can see, there's a cat right here. You can hear her. She's scratching her little scratching post. As you can see, she's up on... She doesn't like being pet on the tail. She likes on the head. Oh, she's so cute. Can you move out the way, please? It's getting you down. Oh. She is so cute. Okay. So I'll just draw maybe like, comment below what you want me to draw, but for now I'll draw, I'll just draw one of the cats I've drawn. An easy one. And I'll draw a galaxy cat. So we got purple. I usually use purple and this type of blue. And I usually only use two colors. And I usually draw it like in a pattern, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue. It'll look cool. But I'm going to do this was because I love cats so much that there's no such thing as a bad cat or an ugly cat. And like they're adorable, so I was really bad. I used to be bad, but now I'm good. I used to draw like 4 legs and a smiley face with some eyes. And like a nose. I've been inspired to make a galaxy cat because in my game Fortnite, there's such thing as a galaxy scout, and it's rare, but let's just not get that far. And that's what inspired me to make like this galaxy cat. It's a Fortnite skin, and I've got it. It's actually one of the rare skins in the game, so it's not in the item shop today, so don't bother looking. And I do not have a supporter creator code. I might have one day. Oh, I do play Fortnite. You can check out that YouTube video where I play Fortnite. It's link in the description. Okay, so as you can see, we are pretty much done. And if you cannot see your face, if you want to draw a black cat, then just draw like your mouth really, really dark with a pencil so then you can see it. If you can't see it, as you can see my face because I don't have that much like big colors. I'll just add a little detail because I don't want this video to be too long. We should call this Drawing with LPK. If you want to make your face darker, then you can carefully go over with a pen. I can give you an example. Here's my pen. Be careful with these, because if you make a mistake, no erasing it. There's actually some stuff, like white stuff, that you can erase pen with, right? Yeah, so that ought to do it. Doesn't work the best, but I think it would work better than pencil. All over all the face and the paws. And try not to touch this, because it might be permanent. No, I think you can wash it off, but it's messy, so try not to. Okay. Now, mine is a pretty fat cat, as you can see. Now we draw the tail blue, purple, and then galaxy again. And you could draw, for more detail, a moon, but I don't have any gray or black, I don't think. Yeah, I have a gray, so I can draw the moon. This is how you draw a moon if you don't know how. I would draw it like this. That's just how I draw my moons. It looks like a dying face. And that's pretty much it. I could draw some, like, I usually draw houses in the background with little, like, windows. You try not to build, like, a bottom floor. That's what makes them look like they're in the background. And also just build a window. And try to build them a little tiny, because if you don't, then you'll think they're in the front. And they just don't have any, like, floors. And one more. Okay, and that window. And you can color in the moon. Make sure to color in everything to make a perfect cat. And it's pretty much, yeah, it's done. Draw like the floor black or gray or whatever you want. Do whatever you want. And that's kind of it. But this is how you draw the cat. This is the finishing touches. And also, here it is. If you like this video, like and subscribe. We are going to go show you our other cat. It's a very adorable one. And its name starts with a P. Bring it in, Zachary. Just pick her up, pet her, and show you what she looks like. And remember, no cat is ugly, so never call a cat ugly. So we can pet her for a sec, and you can pet her in real life. Like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe. This cat won't get you, but she's too interested in other stuff. We got fur all over this table. Dogs will eat that. Okay, I'm gonna put up on screen my wall of cats. There is a Pikachu cat, a Valentine's Day cat, a witch cat, an electric cat, a water cat, a girl water cat, a pineapple cat, a Thor cat, a fire cat, a girl fire cat, and a grass and a world cat. And I wrote the world cat with blue, green, and brown because like the dirt is brown, the grass is green, and the water is blue. So like world. This is what I made. This is how you make a cat. This is just a galaxy cat. Maybe I'll make more in the past. Maybe I'll make some in the future. But look at this masterpiece. Like and subscribe. And also, tell me your favorite cat. Mine, every cat is adorable. If yours is, then you're the best. If it isn't, you're still the best. Let's hope you like this adorable cat, and don't forget that that cat wants you to like and subscribe. It will stalk you down. Don't underestimate the kitty cats. But this is the end of the video, and bye guys!